Okay, this next one is for vocal build up. Just like you want to build up your chest for exercise. This is how you build up your vocal capacity. So I'll do one, then you take it up like we've always done, from the lower register to the upper register. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's take one vowel. Let's take A. You can take it from a very low octave. Like that. Are you ready now? Let's go now. 1, 2, 3, go. Now let's start for real now. Let this be rhythmical. Let us follow a pattern. Consistent and constant. There we go. You get it? If you can try with one breath, beautiful, fantastic. But if you can't, you can bring the breath in between. Are we ready now? 1, 2, 3, go. Not too fast. No, rest. You rest before you go back. Before you go back. Let's go back again from the top. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, go. You go. Wait. Wait for me. Go!